Amplitude modulation. A modulation in which the amplitude AC of the carrier wave is changed according to the instantaneous value of the modulating wave is called amplitude modulation. The frequency Fc and the initial phase phi of the carrier wave do not change in this kind of modulation. The carrier wave, the electric signal to be modulated called modulating wave, and the modulated wave are represented here. They clearly show that as the instantaneous value of the modulating wave changes with time, the amplitude of the modulated wave also changes accordingly. The modulated wave results from the superposition of the carrier wave and the modulating wave. The amplitude change occurs in both the positive half cycle as well as the negative half cycle of the modulating signal. Thus, it is the amplitude of the carrier wave which is modulated according to the signal and hence called amplitude modulation. The envelope of the modulated wave is of the same shape as that of the modulating wave signal associated with the information. Radio and TV signals are transmitted as AM wave.